Hello guys, welcome back again. Good to have you back. So I'm going to be showing you the 2 ways to make your own popcorn at home on the stove top. I'm going to start with the basic ingredients. So I'm going to be using popcorn kernels, sugar and olive oil. So there are different seasonings for popcorns. In my upcoming videos I'll be showing you some popcorn seasonings, but basically I'm going to start with the most simplest ingredient, which are just these 3. So do remember to subscribe to Honest Food Hill, like this video and also share with your friends. Let's get started. I'm going to place a pot on heat. To the pot I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any type of cooking oil for this, or even butter. When you're making this, make sure you use a pot that has cover because you're going to cover this. Okay, I'm going to add in 1 popcorn kernel to the oil. Once it pops, it means the oil is hot. If it doesn't, I'm going to wait for it to pop before adding the remaining. Okay, so I can now add the remaining. I'm using ½ cup of popcorn kernel, so I'm going to share it into 2. I'll show you the remaining. Once I've added this, I'm going to close the lid immediately. Once I've added the kernels to the oil, I'm going to shake it to coat it. Okay, obviously the popcorns have started popping, so I'm going to add in sugar immediately. Just add it as fast as you can. I'm just going to use a spoon to mix this to coat with the popcorn. You should do this as fast as you can. Now I'm going to cover. I'm just going to give this a little shake again. Now we are going to allow this to pop. Okay, so now this has fully popped. Once the popping sound reduces, you can put off heat and allow the remaining heat to cook the rest. Okay, so I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to bring this into a tray. So I just line my tray with a baking sheet. Then I'm pouring this. I'm going to air dry this. It's okay if you have some that are a little bit burnt. It's because of the caramelized sugar. For the second method, I'm still going to add some oil to the pot. Just about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to bring the popcorn kernels into it. I'm just going to shake this gently to make sure it coats with the oil. After that, I'll place the lid over it. This very method, you don't have to add sugar or anything yet. You will just let the popcorn pop, then the seasoning will take place later. Every now and then, just make sure you give this a little shake to make sure they are evenly heated. Once you no longer hear the popping sound, you can turn off the heat and allow the remaining kernels to pop with the heat that is retained in the pot. So now this is ready. I'm going to leave this to cool. So I'm going to empty this into a bowl. If you observe, this one has no burn popcorns because the sugar wasn't added to it at the beginning. I'm going to place back the pot on heat. To it, I'm going to add in some butter and allow it to melt. That's a tablespoon. You can use cooking oil instead of butter. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of sugar. The amount of sugar you use depends on the amount of popcorn you are making. After adding that, I'm just going to mix this immediately and allow the butter to melt. You don't want this to caramelize. Make sure you are doing this on a very low heat. I'm now going to bring in the popcorn into the melted sugar a little at a time, so I'll be able to know the amount that I need to mix. Once I've added everything, I'm just going to stir this and make sure it coats with the popcorns. After mixing this, I'm just going to turn off the heat and make sure I mix this properly. You may need to use 2 spoons to mix for mixing this. It makes it easier. Okay, I'm just going to air dry this as well. Okay, so this very one looks creamier and sweeter. It has a little bit of salty taste because I use salted butter to make this. While the first one I made looks crunchy because sugar was added at the beginning. Okay, these are the 2 ways of making popcorn on the stovetop at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also you can share this with your friends. Stay tuned. Bye.